Hi, welcome to How to Draw a Symbol. Today we're going to learn how to draw a banner. Let's start off by drawing the top of the banner with a long curved line like so. On the left side, draw a line going straight down, followed by a big wavy line underneath. Then, mirror that on the right side with a line going straight down, followed by another wavy line underneath. On the left side, draw a line starting from the tips of the wave, going back to this corner over here. As you get to the lower ones, have them stop at the wavy line like this. Repeat this step on the right side to finish off the ruffles. Next, draw the bottom of the banner with another long curved line like this. And to add some texture, draw some short lines along the banner, pointing inward for some wrinkles. Lastly, write your message on the banner. I'm going to write Happy Birthday, but you can write whatever you want depending on what you're celebrating. And now you've got a banner.